A well of diameter 1.75 meters is dug up and the earth from it is evenly spread to make a platform 3.5 meters long, 5 meters wide and 3.3 meters high. So we're thinking about making a platform that is 5 meters wide, 3.5 meters long and 3.3 meters high. Wonderful. By digging up a well of diameter 1.75, you're digging up a well of diameter 1.75 meters to some height. Think about this, the diameter is given, the height is given. We'll dig up some volume of earth, of sand and material from inside. We'll dig this out and then that is spread out here. So volume of this cuboid should be equal to volume of the cylindrical block that is being sliced open to fill this. Cylindrical block, the volume is pi r square h. For this, the volume is length into breadth into height. The diameter is 1.75 or radius is 1.75 by 2. So we have pi into 1.75 by 2 into 1.75 by 2 into h equals 5 into 3.5 into 3.3. Wonderful. So I'm going to write this down again. Pi into 1.75 by 2 into 1.75 by 2 into h is 3.5 into 5 into 3.3. 1.75 into 2 is 3.5. 3.5 into 2 is 7. Or 1.75 is 7 by 4. Or this is pi, we're going to take pi as 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 by 2, which is 7 by 8, into 7 by 8 into h is 35 by 10 into 5 into 33 by 10. I don't want to deal with decimal, so I'll create a denominator. And 1.75 by 2, I'm calling it as 7 by 8. 22 by 7, 7 gets cancelled. 5 by 10, 1, it becomes 2. 35 by 7, this is again 5. The 5 gets knocked off. Sorry, this again to give us 2. So we have 22 into 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 into h is 1 by 2 into 33 by 2. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. So going to bring this 2, or h is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 into 8 into 8 into 1 by 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, or h is 24 meters. 8 into 3, 24 meters. There's nothing here. It's a very regular question. Just make sure that you're doing it from first principles and slowly and neatly. The volume of the earth dug out, which should be in the shape of a cylinder, is equal to the volume of the cuboid which is placed on top of the evenly spread cuboid. Equate volume of cuboid to the volume of cylinder and then we are through.